Oh, I got one. I got one. That's a decent one. Oh my gosh. 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 That might be a 10. That might be a 10. That might be a 10. What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you can tell, I'm out on the lake right now. I'm gonna be heading over across the lake today, which is something I rarely do, but I'm gonna try and find some grass. Usually around this time, fish start moving up on the grass. They start being in the grass, feeding in the grass. So I'm gonna head over to the other side. There was a tournament this morning, so the areas are pretty pressured, but we'll see if we can make it happen either way. I'm gonna use a jerkbait here and there, but the main objective for today's video is to test out some frogs that I bought at Walmart. They were actually 30 cents. I'm gonna put them up to the test, see if we can get some cool blow ups. Hopefully we can make it happen. Let's get to it. I wanna head over to some points over here, like these cliffs, the edges, and then head over to some grass. I'm mainly gonna try and fish the grass like towards the end of the day when topwater bite is really hitting. I'm gonna try and fish with some frogs, see if I can get some cool topwater blowups. That's the main objective for today's video. But I'm gonna head over to the other side, fish with the jerkbait for a bit, then I'll head to the other side where there's some grass. So that's the plan for today. Let's see if we can catch some decent sized fish. Hopefully we can. These frogs look pretty good. Is that a fish? Oh, I just got hammered. I just got hammered. Got one. Oh no, I just lost him. I knew I was getting hammered at this point. Dang it. I hooked him for like a split second. All right, so there's a little point right here where it kind of just dips. Could be a fish here. I think there's just smallmouth here if there's any fish. Yeah, I just got thumped. Got him. Got him. Whatever it is. Got him. Smallmouth. I bet you it's a smallmouth. Came off. I did not get a look at him, which sucks. Dang it. I hate that. I hate when I lose fish and I can't even look at them. Oh my gosh. And I called it too. There's a little point right here. I kind of made a conclusion that fish are hanging around little points right here like this. And sure enough, that fish ate my bait at that point. Oh my gosh, I think it's a smallmouth. All right, we've made it across the lake, like to the other side. Well, that sucked. I'm never doing that again. Even if someone says there's grass, I'm not gonna believe them from now on. Somebody told me there was grass over there and I did not find any grass. After about 30 minutes of kayaking, I am back on the other side where there's not as much wind. I have about an hour of daylight left, so I'm gonna try and catch a fish on the frog right now. I'm just kind of letting the wind calm down. That's the main objective for today's video. Still haven't completed it. Got an hour left, so I'm gonna get to grinding. All right, it's time to test out these 30-cent frogs. Paid 30 cents for one of these packs that come with 3 Strike King Super Toad. I honestly prefer using plastic like frogs and stuff than like regular frogs, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna grind it out. Hopefully we can get some blow-ups on this. Don't know. Let's see if we can make it happen. Got one. First fish of the day on the frog, on the Super Toad. Let's freaking go. Get in here, buddy. Yes, finally. I've been fishing all day. Felt like, okay, it felt like, it felt like I had gotten a bite there, so I cast it back in there and boom. Still got about 30 minutes or so left to fish, so I'm just gonna get the hook out real quick, see if I can catch another one. But nice little bass, I will take it. It took forever to catch this bass, and I mean forever, and wow, finally we made it happen. I don't know if I got the blow up on camera, but nevertheless, I'm gonna go ahead and let this fish go. Back in the water he goes. Super Toad. I love these things. Oh my gosh, I love frogs like this. All right, I'm gonna keep fishing, see if I can land one more. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That did not just happen. What in the world? Oh my gosh. Smallmouth for sure. It had to be a smallmouth. I mean, I kind of saw it, but oh my gosh. That's why you always got to slow down your topwater baits. That did not just happen. He about jumped in my yak. That was crazy. Oh, I got one. I got one. That's a decent one. Oh my gosh. 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 That might be a 10. That might be a 10. That might be a 10. Oh my gosh. 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 Oh crap. Oh crap. No, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. Don't jump. Don't jump. This ain't gonna fit in the net. This ain't gonna fit in the net. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Get in the net. Oh my freaking gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry for the high pitched voice, but I just caught like a maybe 7-8 pounder for 10 cents. All right, I'm gonna get to some land where I can take this fish out, take some pictures. This might be my new PB. I'm not too sure. It could be, but it's got a really big mouth. It has potential for a 10. I don't think it's a 10. It's post spawn, so it looks pretty skinny, but I did not think I was gonna catch a giant fish today. I have been grinding all day. I've kayaked probably like 5 miles. To catch a fish like this at the end of the day is worth it. I have English. I can't even English. Yeah, that's the mouth of a 10 pounder. I don't think it's quite a 10. I think maybe it's like an 8, 7. Oh, I can't even talk. Hook came right out. He has a fluke in his mouth, a old Cinco, and another bait in his mouth. This guy was hungry. All right, well, I can't get that other one out. He just ate it. But, well, look at that fish right there. That is a giant. Probably about a 7, 6 maybe. It's pretty skinny post spawn. Look at that giant right there. Oh my gosh. That'd be a 10 all day if it was chunky. I mean, it didn't even fight hard. I guess post spawn just really wore this fish out. The grind, the freaking grind. I was kayaking all day. I crossed the lake. I probably kayaked like 5 miles today. It paid off. It freaking paid off. Gonna get some pictures with this fish and then release it. Oh my gosh. I think my scale does not have battery. This sucks. Oh, it just turned on. Nice. Let's freaking go. All right. Yeah, I knew it was gonna be not the greatest. 5 pounds, 2 ounces is the weight. I mean, this fish would be a 10 all day long if it was pre-spawn, but post-spawn, well, fish is pretty skinny. Still, catch a fish like this, insane. All right, go ahead and release this fish. It paid off. It paid off. The grind paid off. 5 pounds, 2 ounces. Back in the water she goes. Alright folks, that is going to effectively end today's video. What a day. I grinded out all day. I kayaked across the lake to look for some grass. Couldn't find any grass. I came back to this side. I was honestly bummed out and I wanted to go home because I had kayaked so much already, but I decided to grind it out. Grind it out, people. When you're fishing and you want to give up, trust me, grind it out. It pays off sometimes. And today, it paid off. Insane. I saw the blow up. I didn't think too much of it. Hooked into it. That fish jumped. And I have no words to even explain what I'm feeling right now. Insane that I even hooked into that fish. That fish would be a 10 all day, like I said, if it was pre-spawn, but it was post-spawn. It was pretty skinny. Still a 5 pounder though. Not every day you catch a 5 pounder here at Lake Amistad. Insane that I caught that fish for 10 cents. But with that being said, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If y'all did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if y'all haven't already. Drop a comment down below if you want me to try out any other cheap baits. But with that being said, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.